Lord, pulling out of Kingsport, I was headed down to Houston town. I had my guitar packed in a burlap sack for exploiting my country sound. And I bypassed Jackson and bypassed Memphis by the time I got to Arkansas. I'd have sold my car and that black guitar for anything cool and tall. So I pulled up to a neon sign on Highway 49. I shut the engine down, took a look around, and then I stepped inside. I asked that bouncer where I was. He said, son, you're Bill. A honky-tonk picking, line dance kicking, razorback sticking, barbecue chicken, laundromat bar and grill. Well, I found old Bill sitting at the bar with a pistol and a chain.